Okay, I see you are on fire today and you would like to learn even more. So, how professional template creators are creating templates. Now, I'll show you a real-life example how I would set up a slide with a picture, but not adding too much into the slide. Okay, so I'll combine working within PowerPoint and working within master slides. So I'll create a new layout. Go to View, select Slide Master if you would like to create the same thing that I'm creating. So I'll select New Layout. Okay, I'm inserting it, and I want to create text boxes within PowerPoint with the picture placeholder within this master slide. This will be also without any title or footers, because I really don't like this crowded setup, and I'll go to Insert Placeholder, Insert Picture, and I'll insert a picture. If you would like to follow, please do so. So we'll create together a slide with Slide Master. Okay, take the picture and resize it to the left side of the screen. You can select the size if you want it to be big or not too big. Okay, I have the picture. Now I'll go to Insert, Shapes, and I'll simply insert a dark shape. Okay, I'll place the shape here. I'll make sure that the shape is the same size as the picture. Okay, it nearly is. I'll go to Shape Outline. No outline. I'll nod it a bit to the left. I will resize it. Okay, and this is the left side of my slide. Now I'll take this object. I'll select Shape Fill, and I would select a color for my design. Let me go to More Fill Colors, and I want something darkish. Darkish, bluish, like this. Okay, and I have my layout prepared. I'll close my master view, and this will allow me to create things within PowerPoint without having to always go to Slide Master. Now I'm creating a new slide. This new slide should have my layout, which I prepared right now. Okay, this is the layout, and the rest would be created here within PowerPoint. So I'll go within PowerPoint to create Insert, Shapes, or I mean text box, and create text boxes here. Here I would select What a Cool Template. I would click on that. I would make the text white. And of course, I wanted to use Open Sans because I'm using Open Sans in this presentation. Okay, select it like that. Control V, then this would be the main color here. Let's say that it's yellow or something. And I'm adding those text boxes inside the normal PowerPoint creator because I already have my layout. I want this box to be always here, this picture to be on the left side, but those things can be added separately. Now, can I grab some more example text? Yes, I can. I mean, maybe even the entire one. Okay, Argentina. Maybe the text should be white here around. Okay, this actually, it looks really cool. So I'll copy also those here. Boom. Okay, this is making up my slide. And then I want maybe two icons like this and this. Boom. And those icons will be here on this side. Then I would select the main color, Insert, Shapes, maybe circles for the icons, maybe some text. I don't really know. I would select both. Now you don't have to follow my steps exactly. I just wanted to show you how I would set up this template. And I want actually this yellow color. Boom. Then I would select text. Of course, the text is like now invisible. But I would make it visible by making it black and big. Okay. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and voila. There you have it. This would be a template which I would create within PowerPoint. Of course, this should be grouped. This circle should be smaller because it looks a bit weird with this icon. Okay, and this is somewhat how I would go about this. Now, if I select this template to use, I can also create new slides with the same layout with similar design. And if someone would receive this presentation from me, If someone would like to change this design, no problem. You can delete that, you can delete that. If you want an image, you just go here. I take my example image, boom, the mushroom, for example. Boom, I have the image. I can even go to crop and move the image here. Crop, boom, you are ready with the slide. I see I wasn't perfectly precise here, but this can be easily adjusted. And this is how I created a template for my PowerPoint presentation, a new layout. And if I would follow this color, perhaps all my layouts which I would create would have a similar color. Another layout, view, slide master, for example, copy this existing layout and place the picture on the right side and this object here. You close everything and you have already two cool layouts to use quickly in your presentations.